Hey guys, Cooper here. I'm going to show you guys how to put in a seatbelt for a 1974 square body. So first off, you are given this part right here. See? Maybe. Yeah. And then you are given, it comes with all this stuff. And then all the hardware stuff is right here. So first off, what you do is you take, this is straight out of the box from LMC Trucks. Take this part and pull that to open this little finagler. Connect it. See? About right that right there. That hole. Then take one of these, take a bolt, take a nut, and there they are. The lock washer. And you connect it. The bolt goes through the bottom like that. Bolt. 90-degree angle thingamabobber. If I can get it on right. That's wrong. Never mind. Okay, so I told you guys wrong. It's this small one because there's two sizes. Here. Two sizes. You want the shorter one to go with this one. Take the 90-degree, stick the bolt to the bottom, lock washer, and then a nut. Almost there. Come on. If you guys want to try and find this stuff, I'll have a link in the description for it. Oh, it's not tight enough. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. So now, you guys will need a ratchet with or without an extension. I just got one just in case. And a 9/16 socket. You also need a 9/16 wrench. Put the socket on the nut, maybe. Yeah. I'm going to take this part of the wrench, stick it on the bolt. That's loosening. There. I got it. Well, crap. Get off there. Gotta use a little strength. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So now that that's on, you need I had these earlier, but they broke. So I have it all right here that I'm using as a kind of like a picture. I guess you can call it that. But I'm using this, and I need to get this out. So I'll be right back. Oh, you guys got to see this. This is my uncle's other truck. We call her Fatty. She's about to pull back around right now. Here, I'll just show you guys. You gotta look at this thing. Pretty sweet. Really sweet. She's about to take my grandma on a joyride. Maybe. Here, I'll go ahead and do that for you guys real quick. You guys come with me. I gotta get a different wrench. How's it going, Dad? Good. We're gonna have to bump this one with a hammer too, Scott. All right. You do that. You videoing? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to get these headers on. Trying to get the headers on the old 67. And you know, with anything custom, anytime you got custom work, nothing fits perfect. But they're pretty close. We'll make them work. Look at this. So, transmission cross member. So I got all that situated. Now it comes with this little cover. You gotta take this cover off somehow. Jeez, there it is. Now there's a little nut or bolt. Want to bolt it right in that hole right there. This is my first job, mostly by myself, for Mach 2 Customs. Please tell me you go in there. Might help if I take off the plastic part. Just maybe. Jeez. There. If you break it, it'll come right off. As is most of everything in this world. Come on. Almost there. Dang it. I probably shouldn't cuss on this channel, even though I want to. Hey, Dad? Yeah. Can you come help me real quick? As I just said, most of this is my own doing. I need help trying to get this on.
On?
Yeah, like in the hole. Okay. Pause.
Why didn't you do this at the bottom first?
Should I do that? Would that be better off? Okay. 6 1/2 dozen other guys. Sometimes you got to get the big guns in here. Do we need that?
Should be another washer.
Hey guys, I got it fixed again. Yeah, again, because I'm a bit of a dunce. So now I've got it in the ground of the truck, and I have it up here now. So, shut. Well, it doesn't matter. So now, I want to test it. Move all this stuff out of the... Gosh, dang it. Okay, note to self. Or if you're doing this, when you have an open bag full of stuff, be careful. because it will spill and go everywhere. Okay? From your boy Cooper. Hopefully you guys like this video. It was a bit weird. So this is a truck. It's all nice. Got a 350 in it. Got the Dakota Digital gauges. I got it somewhat on there. I haven't gotten it tight yet.
Well, problem is you got this on the wrong side. It goes that way.
Really?
Mm-hmm. No, that works.
That's how it is over there.
Hold on. Hold on. Go.
Go get it.
Now see how it's twisted?
Yeah.
So what we gotta do is here's what needs to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Flip this needs to come off, and that needs to be flipped to where the white's down.
Okay.
And then it'll work.
Okay.
And then how do you get this back on?
I was honestly thinking about cutting that. Because it don't really do nothing.
I would see if we can have it there. They put it there for a reason.
Yeah, I guess.
It's to keep the goes on here somehow.
How about I do that and you go work on your car?
So you know what to do?
Yeah.
So if that's there, all you gotta do is take this off and flip that
Flip it?
to where the white's down.
All right.
Everything else stays the same.
Okay.
And then this will go
At the bottom?
and what we'll do is we'll make sure it doesn't
Move?
like where's like right here. That way it keeps it from
So my first job, I got like probably a C or a D. I messed up on the little thing. It's got a tag on it. It's a white tag. White tag needs to be on the bottom, not on the top. I'm gonna do that real quick. All right. I should have gotten it all finagled right. We're gonna test it. Run smooth. Run somewhat smooth. Goes on. I'm tight. We're good. That was Cooper with Mach 2 Customs. Subscribe and like if you want to. It's a free country. You can do whatever you want. Catch you on the next one. See ya.